Lindsey.
Lindsey, look at you wearing that checkered flag dress.
I dress for the occasion.
All you need is a pink handkerchief. You can stand out there and start them.
I know, exactly. They said there was no fog today, and I was like, I volunteer.
Exactly. Where are you from?
New York City.
New York City?
Yes, you got a city girl.
Well, welcome. I'm Rusty.
Nice to meet you, Rusty.
I'm from the country, and believe me, if Rusty is the most redneck race car driving cracker name you ever heard. Alright, you ready to go fast?
Yes, my boyfriend is a big driving enthusiast, and he insisted, so he was like, you must go the fastest you can.
Well, let's see
He's
what you think of this. You know, the thing about it is, I didn't tell you beforehand, is also I'm a paramedic.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, because I'm not that good a driver, so it's pretty important, you know, that we have medical assistance right there. But no, that wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
It's your average afternoon drive.
I don't know how people would do it with like 20, 50 other cars.
It's no big deal. You just ignore them and go, I'm driving over here. That's what you tell them. Driving over here. Can we talk?
Thank you.
Now, if you would lean up a little bit,
What?
get this Hans off.
Okay.
And then slide as far forward as you can. Lean your head out and push.